Hey YouTube, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joddie Taylor. Today I'm chatting about Galentine's Day ideas. If you don't know, Galentine's Day is like Valentine's Day, but for your girls, for your homies, your friends. So I thought I would focus on activities. And believe you me, I am all for going out for lunch or dinner or brunch. But I also love activities with friends. So here are some ideas. This, of course, is going to be what you choose, or the ideas that appeal to you are probably going to be based on what's available in your area. So let's think of some ideas together, because some of these I already have in mind and some of them I'm brainstorming as we speak. Not in order of importance. Build something. So you can go now. I feel like this is a dying profession. If you have a shoe cobbler in your area, you might be able to take shoemaking lessons. What I've seen is they take something like, imagine a Birkenstock, just the base, and then you can add the leather that you want. You can create your own sandal or your own pair of clogs. Again, check your city and town. There may be shoemaking courses or workshops. Jewelry, you can make bracelets, you can make keychains, candle making, chocolate making. There are so many things. So if you like to cook, if you like to create, you can actually do something that is hands-on. You can make your own perfume, you can make your own chapstick. I mean, if you can think of it, you can probably find it, especially if you're willing to travel outside of your neighborhood, town, city, or state. And hey, make it an overnight trip or make it a whole weekend. So I said Galentine's Day, but this will work for like any hangout. Now, of course, you could do things at home. You could have a board game night at home. You could do movies. You can do charcuterie. Something that I did a few years ago that was a lot of fun was a cocktail class, and it was virtual. My friend came over and we took the class together, and we had all of the supplies, and it was so much fun. And we also cooked. Well, I didn't really cook, but I ate the food that was cooked. It was a lot of fun. So just think about what's fun, what is doable for us, right? Like, you don't want to do something where you're buying a ton of ingredients that you're never going to use again. You don't want to do something where it's like you're going in debt to have a lobster dinner. Nothing against lobster dinners, but my 2 cents, if you care, would be to pick something that is fun, that everyone in the duo or in the group is going to enjoy, and maybe try something new together. I should do something for outdoors, right? Yeah, let's do outdoors. So outdoors, you could go for a walk. I think that's something that I personally don't do enough with friends, because it's a good time to just like talk, like really talk. You know, music's playing, people aren't walking by in a restaurant. So walk, you can do, these are things, I'm listing things I've done with friends. Go for walks. Take a dance class together, some kind of movement, or take a yoga class together. I've done that too. So something that, again, you're both going to enjoy. Maybe it's a little bit out of your comfort zone, or maybe something you've done together before, but fun, and that's going to get your body moving. The reason why I'm focusing on activities and building something or creating something together, you know, they have those painting classes. You can paint something in just a few hours. Wine tasting it's like something you're doing together and that you can talk about, and maybe even leave with something. You know, you can leave with the candle, something in your hand, something you created. And if you're going for a walk and you're exercising, you're doing a dance class, you leave with the memories and you actually did something physical together, right? So those are just a few ideas. One thing I didn't mention is the more, like, you're still going out, but it's more pampering. So think spa day, Mani-Pedi, maybe getting your hair done. So that's like the beauty part of it. The most important thing is to have fun with your friend, whether it's Galentine's Day or it's just a girls' night out or day out. Have fun and connect. One of the things that I wish overall that I would do more as I record this video is actually connect more and do things. Take the time for each other. I've been one of those friends who've been guilty of canceling plans, and I want to do that less, and I guess that's why I thought of this. Okay, happy Galentine's Day if you're celebrating. If you're watching this in the middle of June, celebrate your friends. Celebrate your friends. Okay, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Take care.